Okay, first we remove the brush by pressing these on both sides. It comes out from the back. Then we remove this. From the bottom, you can just force this to open, and it'll open and come off. Then you're going to be removing 6 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This top comes off. There's your problem. The hose is broken, so we need to unscrew you have to pry those tabs on the side. It's hard to hold the camera and pry it at the same time, but you can see how it comes off, and I have to do the other one on the other side. When you get it off, it just pops out like so. Okay, I need to get to that hose. Oh, now it seems like this hose just won't slide off. So we're gonna have to take this thing apart by removing the screws on the side. So I removed a total of 13 screws. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. They are the same screws, the same size, so it'll be easier to put them back. Okay, here we go. Now we can access that hose. The hose will just slide off, and there he is. It's getting old, it's brittle, that's why it got ripped. It won't flex anymore. So I don't know if they sell extra parts for this. Otherwise I may have to fabricate a hose. So you can unscrew this bad boy. Because this is the only thing we need. So it's not really fair to get the whole assembly. This thing is kind of stubborn. It'll eventually let loose. Now that I got it off, all I need to do is match it with the different hose, which is 1 1/4 inches. Okay, since the hose is 1 1/4, I found a hose that is 1 1/8, like a vacuum cleaner hose, and I just kind of slipped in, or kind of turned it, twisted in with the original hose, and it seems pretty tight. And that is how it goes in there. Looks like it belongs there. And this can go back like so. Okay. And then put the screws back.